Hey everyone, let's build a free weather app in React Native with Expo. No API keys, no paywalls required. In part 1, we will set up the project, ask for GPS permission, and detect the user's city. So let's get started. So first of all, I will do npx create expo app rn-weather to create my expo app. So this will take some time. Once my project is ready, I will do cd rn weather. I will go in that directory and I will type code dot, and this will open my VS Code. Now I am in my VS Code. I will open my terminal and I will type npm run iOS. This will start iOS simulator on my machine. Now my simulator is up and running. I will attach it to my VS Code. I will open a new terminal. So I will write npm run reset project. I don't want to save any copy. I will reload the project, and now you can see like our project is a clean slate. So now I will go to my underscore layout.tsx file. I will install React Native safe area context, and once it is installed, so I will import safe area provider, and inside that I will use safe area view, close it, and I will copy stack and paste it inside safe area view. Next I will provide some styles. I will create styles.container. So for that I will use style sheet from React Native dot create, and inside here I will create a container. So I will provide flex property for container as 1 and background color as hash 0b1220. So I'm getting error because I did not import style sheet from React Native. So now I will import it. Just copy paste here, and now our error is gone. Now I will provide some screen options for the stack. First I will provide header title, which is weather info. Then I will provide content style, and for this I will provide background color, same as we provided in the styles. So background color would be again hash 0b1220. I will copy this and paste, and I will provide header style, same values, and then I will provide header tint color. I will give it white as value. We don't see anything because I provided styles in the wrong component. I will quickly change the text style color to white so that we can see everything is working. So now we can see in the simulator weather info as header title and text in the index file. Now I will create weather info hook for fetching the location. So I will create a new folder hooks, and inside that folder I will create useWeather.ts file, and inside that file I will create export default function useWeather, and I will return empty object here. Next I will provide use effect hook from React. First I will give a function over here, then I will provide the dependency. I will keep it empty because I want to acquire the location only once. I will create an acquire location function, const acquire location equals to braces and then arrow function. Inside acquire function I will check for permissions first, and for that I need location from expo-location. So I will install that, npx expo install expo-location, hit enter. Once it's installed I will import it. I will type import star as location. from expo-location, and now I will use this. So I will request for foreground permission. This will give me the status. In the next line I will check the status. So if the status is granted, if the status is not granted, I will return the error. I will show the error, and for showing the error I will use state hook, and inside here I will provide null, and I will get two values over here. One is error, second is set error. I will import use state from React, and inside here I will set the error, location permission denied. I will give a type string or null inside here to get rid of the error we see. One thing I forgot, I have to type await before requesting the permission. So I did that, and I provide async on the function. Next, I will set the loading state. For that, I copy pasted the error state and change it accordingly. I need boolean for loading, so I did that change, and I provided loading and set loading in the values. Below the error, I type set loading false, and on top of requesting the permission, I set loading as true and set error as null to reset the actual state. If we don't have the permission, I will return on line 18. But if we have the permissions, I will request for the coordinates, and for that I will type await location dot get current position, and I will pass empty object inside here, and this will give me location instance. Next I will type lock.codes, and I will get latitude and longitude from here. Next I will set those codes in the state. So I will type set codes, and I will copy paste latitude and longitude object inside here, and I will create a new state. So I copy pasted loading state, and inside here the default value is null, so I will give null as a type for now, and I will name it codes and set codes. Next I will create an interface for codes, so I will type interface codes. Latitude is a number, longitude is a number as well. Now I will give this type inside the use state, and our error is gone. Now I will cut it from here, and I will create a new types.ts file in the root folder, and I will write export and paste the interface value. And next thing, I am going to import it in my useWeather hook. I will give a comment types, and all the types goes under that line. Once this is done, I will do the reverse geocode to get the place from the latitude and longitude, and for that I will do await location dot reverse geocode async, and inside that I will provide latitude and longitude, and this will give me an array of places. Next thing, I will get a place, the very first place from the places array. So I will null check it, and I will get the first place. So once I get the place, I will set it in the city. So set city is my state. So I will copy paste and create a new state, and I will give it a type string or null, and I will give the values name as city and set city. So inside set city, I will create an array, and I will provide three value from places. So first is name, second is region, and third is country. Once I type these values, I will filter all the undefined values from this array, and to convert this array into a string, I will do join and I will provide a comma after every value. So we are not going to show any error here because it's not a critical error and we can work without having any city value. So now our acquire location function is complete. So now inside return, we are going to provide all the values we have in the states. So first is we are going to provide error, then loading, then codes, and then city. Now I will go to my index.tsx file and I will import useWeather hook, and I will get all the values from useWeather hook, which is city, then loading, then error, and last but not the least, codes. So for now I will just paste the city instead of that text, and I will reload my project, and you can see the city inside here. So with this, our part 1 is done. In the next part, we will work on fetching the weather info using Meteo API. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.